Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Nur Utami. I'm from the Department of Radiology. Here I would like to read the results of my journal review. Name Dwi Nur Utami. Dwi Nur Utami. The title of journal article: Accuracy of Clinical Examination, Lumbosacral Radiography, and Electrodiagnosis in Patients suspected with lumbar herniation of the nucleus pulposus. Authors: Tricia Christine, Luder Tang, R.M. Faisal, Ariel Bahar. Discussion: In Indonesia, diagnostic tests for lumbosacral radiographs, ADX, and neurological clinical examination can help diagnosing ENP has never been compared with MRI as the gold standard. Many studies have tried to find diagnostic alternatives use the other modalities to assist with ENP screening, such as CT myelographic scan, conventional myelography, or discography, but these tests are invasive. Accuracy of clinical neurologic examination, together with lumbosacral radiography and electrodiagnostics in assessing signs of lumbar ENP as a screening method compared to standard MRI gold. This study is a diagnostic study with a cross-sectional approach. The study population was patients suspected of having lumbar ENP. Muhammad Hussein Palembang and performed a lumbosacral MRI examination, and according to the criteria acceptance of the study, inclusion and exclusion criteria, we found that history of ischialgia, lumbosacral radiograph, upright AP projection, electroneugrography or ENMG, and clinical neurologic examination can be used as screening modalities in diagnosing lumbar ENP and have a accuracy approaching the gold standard examination, namely MRI. Method: diagnostic test for the lumbosacral using radiography, ADX, and clinical neurologic examination, which may help to diagnose ENP, have never been compared with MRI. The study population was patients with suspect lumbar ENP. From the patients samples were taken from patients with suspected lumbar ENP who underwent lumbosacral MRI examination, and according to the study acceptance criteria, inclusion and exclusion criteria, sampling was done by the consecutive method. All subjects who meet the inclusion and exclusion criteria were selected and included in the study until the required number of samples was met. Discussion: this research was conducted at the Department of Neurology, Muhammad Hussein General Hospital. Data obtained from the radiology department, the ENMG laboratory, and the neurology outpatients polyclinic RSUP Dr. Muhammad Hussein Palembang between February 1, 2018, July 31, 20, within a period of 6 months, there were several patients who came to the neurology outpatients clinic due to a degenerative process clinically varied in the form of back pain, ischialgia, canal stenosis, compression and root irritation, spondylolisthesis, and herniated nucleus pulposus lumbar suspiciosus. The study sample that meet the inclusion and exclusion criteria as well as dropout of all patients were 54 subjects who had exceeded the minimum number of samples calculated by 14.5 subjects. Women slightly more than men. According to Rovner et al., women have higher activity than men despite suffering from chronic pain in various areas of the body, including low back pain. Conclusion: demographic data in the form of age over 50 years, history of ischialgia, lumbosacral radiograph, upright AP projection, electroneuromiograph, and clinical neurology examination can be used as screening modalities in diagnosing lumbar HNP and have an accuracy that is close to the gold standard examination, namely an MRI level of accuracy. The sensitivity and specificity of lumbosacral radiographs in diagnosing patients with lumbar HNP were 81.4%, 80%, and 100%, respectively. Accuracy, sensitivity, and the specificity of clinical neurological examination in diagnosing patients with lumbar HNP was 70.3%, 70%, and 75% respectively. Access. The contents of the explanatory journal are not long. Regular journal reading, use of the right words. There is a foreign language that is not easily understood by students. There are some readings that are too small to be hard to read. Thank you.